kind of aggregation function, as it adds all the numbers in a column, right? The syntax of this function is sum, and inside this braces we have the column name, right? This column name is called as parameter because we are just passing this column name inside the function, right? Sum function. This column we are providing is the column that contains the numbers to which we want to sum, right? Now, what kind of value it will return? It will return a decimal number, right? Let's see this practically how we can implement it in Power BI. So I am into my Power BI now. Here I have this orders table. I'll attach the link of this orders data set inside the description. You can find it there. Also, before implementing my sum function, I'm gonna create one table specific or dedicatedly for my measures. So in this series, whatever the measures I will be creating will be created into that particular table itself, right? So here I'm just creating this table, static table, right? Here I'm giving here DAX mm, playlist, right? So this is my table name and I'm loading it. It will create me a blank table in the sense one column table which has no values, right? So if you see, only one column we have, right? And this column contains no values, right? Now I'm just expanding this table here and I am just calculating. So inside orders we have several kind of data in which we have the sales related transactions, right? Or online store related transactions, order id, order date, shipping date, shipment mode, customer id, and segments, the regions where that particular um, sale has been done, product id, and we have product and category related details, sales amount, quantity, discount, and profit. So let's say I just want to show the sum of these sales column, right? So I'm just creating a measure for this. So here I will be going to my table DAX playlist, right? Here I'm creating one measure. So to create a measure, we have two options. Just click on this table where we want to create a measure, right? Here under this table tools we have new measure option, or else if you select this table, here we have three dots, more options, right? If you click on it, here we have new measures option. You can click on it. A formula bar will be enabled. You can just type your formula here. So this measure and equal to means we have this measure starting with this name and equals to. After equals to, we used to write our formula, right? So we can rename this measure from this name. Let's say sales. I'm just showing total sales, right? Sum and the column name. So here I have my sales amount. So I will be passing sales amount here, right? And this is complete. So if I just again show you one thing, once you type this sum function, above it, it shows the syntax and then what is the functionality of this function. So it adds all the numbers in a column, and we need to pass here the column name. So here I will be providing sales amount, right? And only one parameter it takes, so this is completely fine. You can just click on this green tick for committing it, or you can press enter, right? This is my measure created. Now if I just show you on a card visual, right? On this card visual we can display our total sales, right? 2.3 million. And you can also display it over a table, right? On this table we can display, for example, my category, subcategory, and total sales, right? So this is just breaking down my data. Also you can display this sales amount also, right? So this is all about sales column or sales column, some of the sales column. Now for this table, what you can do is you can just delete this uh, extra column we have. Oops, right, this blank column, just click on three dots of this and delete from model. Yes, so this column will be deleted, and now this DAX playlist table is completely specific to your calculations. So in this series, whatever the calculations we will be writing into this DAX playlist itself, right? So stay tuned to this playlist, just subscribe to my channel and save this video or just save this playlist, and get press the bell icon so that you won't be missing any of the tutorial coming up.